World is chaotic, but thankfully there are some Zoho apps that can help bring a small bit of clarity into your small business. My name is Jozette with Technomap, and I want to help bring you some of that clarity. Today we're going to be learning about one of my favorite Zoho apps, Zoho Learn. Zoho Learn is a knowledge base and learning management software platform that you can use to build your internal knowledge and organize it for your current and future employees. It's similar a little bit to Moodle. Also, a lot of products will have their own internal knowledge base, like a lot of help desk software. So there are two main aspects of Zoho Learn. They're kind of two different sides of the software. The first is, of course, the knowledge base feature. You build out spaces, so that could be departments, for example, and then within that you can have manuals, so you might have different aspects of the business for that department, and then within each manual you have a series of articles, and that's the actual kind of learning content, which can include videos, images, text, whatever you'd like. You can restrict access to any of those different levels to different users. You can restrict who can create content as well. There is also version tracking on the articles, so you can see when things have been edited. So the second aspect is the learning management portion of it. You can create courses, any number of courses, and you can put in video, text, you can add quizzes, assignments. You can drip out content to your users, so you could say you have to finish module 1 today, module 2 tomorrow, things like that. And you can also, it'll send reminders for them to complete the course and follow up. Once they finish, you can give them badges, and it reports back to you and possibly their manager if you set it up that way, in order to know that they completed the course. So many companies I've worked with will use this for first onboarding. So maybe you have a series of courses that you have to complete before you can fully be onboarded, and maybe they're assigned differently based on your departments. The second way is to use it for compliance. So maybe every year we have to do a security training, and that training is dripped out to everybody maybe in December, and so we have to complete it by the end of the month. So one aspect that is interesting to me is you can create an external portal. So I wouldn't create a full training course module for to like sell to users. I would use the Trainer Central platform for that. However, I like to use this if you sign up as a customer with me. One of my plans is to have a Zoho Learn kind of area where there's videos and knowledge and links and things like that available to my customers, and you get access to that for the time that you're my customer. Okay, do you need some internal knowledge management? Do you have enough employees that setting up this kind of a training would be helpful? Reach out to me if you need help setting it up. Otherwise, follow me for more Zoho One tips.